Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we will learn how we can embed our Power BI dashboard in SharePoint, or in fact you can use same method for any website. So let's say for the sake of example we have a SharePoint site and I have embedded a SharePoint dashboard on it. So how we can do this? So first of all we need to publish our dashboard in a workspace Power BI service as I already did, and I am going to open this dashboard on a Power BI service. So here we go, and we want to actually uh, get the option embedded report. Here we have different options: SharePoint, website or portal, publish to web public. Actually publish to web public is not safe. It depends on the total of the company policy, but however we can do it. Now I'm going to copy the embedded link, and now I am switching to the SharePoint portal, and let me switch to the SharePoint. Here I go. So in a SharePoint I just select new page. Let me create a new page for you for the demonstration purpose. So let's go next. I am going to select this instead of blank template. So let's create it. It's going to create, and now I am going to write my title of the dashboard here, and this tour skip. Okay, and my title will be like Power BI report HR dashboard. So now I am quickly clean up the other step because we are not creating a SharePoint web page here. So I am going to quickly, you know, uh, fast forwarding this video to remove the unnecessary things. So let me remove all the unnecessary things. Okay, now we remove all unnecessary things, I think so. Now I want to add Power BI report here with embedded feature. So I select Power BI, and in below you can see add report here. So Power BI frame you can see, and now I need to paste my Power BI link from Power BI service, and it's take while, and now here it's populated the data that it's a HR dashboard. Now it's actually connected with the Power BI service, and we need to see loading. So here we go, we have published, or in fact we have a embed our Power BI dashboard in a SharePoint page. And the next step, if we are okay, then we need to publish this on a SharePoint site. So let me publish. So now it's published. So you can see the output like this, that we have our dashboard title, image, and then in below we have embedded our dashboard. So it's a single sign-on. So I hope you like this idea. Thank you very much for watching this video.